Alright, y'all, so check it out, right? Your boy looking like he need a cut. And my brother got me the self-cut system 2.0 for Christmas. So, we about to get right. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah. We appreciate your support. Charger. My finger. So it's my first time using the self-cut system. I'm gonna give you 100% honest review on it. So I'm gonna put it to use, let you know what I think. Let me go with the green. I'll tell y'all this much. This mirror is crazy. I'm about to do my lineup like this. Like, I'm looking at it, trying to focus it. I'm really about to like violate myself. This is the best I got so far. Oh, hold on, I see a line right there. It's a little irritated by the razor. Oh. What's good, y'all? So this is the cut. I like it. I think it came on fire. I'm very happy with the self-cut system. Shout out to my brother for getting me that. That's gonna save me a lot of money, one. And two, I was a barber before. Well, I'm still a barber, but I was a barber in an actual barber shop. You know, a lot of the times barbers don't like cutting other barbers. You can offer to pay them and you will get the runaround. They'll tell you, all right, yo, I got a client coming. I got someone coming right now. I got 2 people coming right now. You need a cut and you got somewhere important to be, a girl to see the next day or so. You know, you can't really go for those excuses. And then at the end of the day, they're tired. Nah, you not trying to hear none of that. Over here looking like Mick Foley. Over here looking like Khabib. I can't be the only one thinking this. Barber, you know Khabib's hairline is just, that shit stresses you out. You just want to, like, anyways, this self-cut system is worth getting. I'm gonna tell you that. I don't really have anything bad to say about it yet. You know, I just got it, but so far, all pros, no cons. The only thing I could think of is maybe if they made it portable. You know, clippers and trimmers are portable nowadays, so maybe if they had like a battery instead of a cord, a rechargeable battery, that'll be something to think about. But other than that, I really like it, and I hope you guys like it. If you get it, let me know. Buy it for your barber, buy it for yourself, buy it for your son, your boyfriend, whoever. If you're just getting into cutting hair, cut your own hair, practice on yourself. Definitely worth getting. They didn't put a penny in my pocket, but you know what? I'm gonna still advertise this product because it's a good product. So there you go, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you liked it.